Let's learn how to record incoming and outgoing calls on A05s mobile. Some regions are this method working, some regions this method not working. It's depend on your mobile region. Okay, let's learn how to enable this feature. Open your mobile dial pad. After click on this three dots icon on top right corner and go to settings. In here you can view this record calls option. Click on it. You can enable this auto record calls option. Now when you receiving incoming calls or your outgoing calls, all calls are recorded automatically. You can view your record calls recording by click on this recorded calls option. Now this mobile no any call recordings. In this method you can record your incoming and outgoing calls without any third party application.